Hey guys, this is Diego Gonzalez from MindlessPaint.com, and I want to show you how I do a custom painted Joker plate. Alright, thanks. So what I like to do is use a Scotch Brite pad. These things are awesome. I actually use these and prefer them over sandpaper. Sandpaper is good, but what it does is leaves it too coarse for the metal. So this is just enough coarseness to not make a lot of deep abrasions in it, so you don't see them in your final painting. So what I do is just get the license plate, circles up and down any way you like, pretty much. I like to use circles so it gets all the area. And what you have to do is, under light, look at it, the back side. So you have to see if it's reflective or dull. See how it's under the light? It's barely reflective. And look at that. That's very important. So you have to stand them down first. Don't just do them like that. If you're doing a quick job, take the time, do it. It'll make it look a lot better, and it'll be a lot easier to airbrush and paint on. It won't spatter or slip off so much. That's a really good tip. What I'm gonna do is apply my template. So I do is get the spray, spray a little bit on there, add the template. So I got black in my airbrush. Lightly I spray in the template, just mixing it. And then going back over the spaces I want to. I'll post another video of how to airbrush the templates correctly. But here, I'm just showing you how I'm spraying it like that. And don't worry about going out the edges, we'll clean that up later. If you're doing a lot of t-shirts, a lot of art, you're gonna have to knock these out, and stuff like that's gonna happen. I know a lot of guys would be like, well, I would do this and I would tape out that. Yeah, you say you would, but I'm trying to help people that are doing high volume and, you know, don't have time to do a lot of that. So there you go. So there's Joker. And he kind of looks weird with his eyes like that. So there's actually a little quick second part to this. I just want to get the whites of the eyes to bring them back again. There you go. And it's a little sloppy, but like I said, I'm a big fan of getting stuff done quickly and then cleaning it up later. Not everything works like that, but some basic designs like this does. So see how the black overspray? The great thing about paint is you can always paint over something. When I was a beginning airbrush artist, people were like, you'll make a mistake, but I'm like, well, it's paint, and you can just paint over it, and I wouldn't freak out. So yeah, someone probably noticed this, but yeah, his mouth is definitely red, not black. And that's the great thing about these templates, you can reposition them. And they can even be offset. This is a little offset. I use the blow dryer to dry all the areas really quick, and that helps the paint without splattering. It dries so it's not wet anymore. So now this is where like the magic happens. We go back to black. You can freehand all the detail. Darken his eyes. Give him more like menacing look. And then I'll blend some area in the top. Make sure you get the bottom. Turning the white to kind of like a gray tone. Blending in the areas in the sides where I did kind of, you know, let it go a little bit. Adding like a splatter effect. So I add this splatter effect, giving the plate some texture that really brings out the, you know, brings your eye to the middle. And finally, I want to add the name. So I feel like I have more room on this side. I'm just eyeballing it, but that's what I want to do. I want to add the name Lakin. it off camera. The face was reversed and it just looked weird, so I just switched it up. Whatever, stuff happens. And finally, I just clear coat it, and then I'll show you the finished product. This is the finished Joker deck. I have to crouch down because I can't fit in the frame, but finished start to finish, clear coated and everything. If you like my channel, please subscribe, comment, and let me know what stuff you want to learn. Give me a comment below and I'll do some video on it.